How to fix Instagram couldn't post story. Hello guys, if you have any problem with the upload on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So please keep watching until the end. So the first step you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. And then go to the airplane mode and enable it and then disable it again. And after that, go back and go to the apps manager. Go to the apps, go to Instagram. Now right here, all what you have to do is just go to the force stop option and click on it, and then go to the permissions right here and make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again. Now the last step that you have to do is click on data users, make sure that you enable all the network access options. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.